Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. I'm just here really quickly to share a little fussy cut kit that I've put together. This is for sale over on my Ko-fi site. The link is in the description box below, and it's 51 fussy cut butterflies. So these are all individually designed by myself. I've been practicing doing some layering with florals, etc. for an upcoming kit that I'm planning. And I thought I'd offer these as a little fussy cutting bundle. So there's 51 in total. So the butterflies are different shapes, and I've done some in different sizes. So this is one, and this is another shape. So this one is on a script background. It's like an invoice, a French invoice. And then these ones are a different shape butterfly with different florals on, and the background on these is music paper. And then those are all the same size. They're just a lovely size. With these that are, you know, you can see 3 different sizes. What you can do with these is you can layer them. So you can have three layers to your butterfly if you so desire. Or if you just like the smaller ones, use the smaller ones, whichever you prefer. But the idea of those being in 3 different sizes is to layer them up to make them a little bit dimensional. These are beautiful. Add them to your tags or your pockets or your clusters. They're lovely, and I've specifically picked butterflies that are a nice shape and that are a nice easy shape to cut. This is one of my favourite shapes. This one's slightly rounder. It's nice, it's a little bit fuller. That one's got more pointy wings. And then here I've done a sheet without the florals on. So again, you've got some in different sizes for layering, different shapes, and you've got some with the invoice or French, you know, it's French writing, and some with the music background. Now when you're fussy cutting, I normally cut the antennas off. I don't try, unless you're really good at fussy cutting around and leaving a little white space, I cut the antennas off, and I'll either just draw them on my project with a black pen, or you can use a little bit of thread or twine, or you can use flower stamens. Really nice idea. So yeah, I've also did make these over on my group, my Facebook group. We're at the moment doing a weekly ATC challenge, and so this week I thought, you know, several birds with one stone. We will have butterfly themed ATCs this week, and so the members of my group can get hold of these and use them if they desire. But everybody loves butterflies. You can never have too many, but I like these because they've got a shabby vintage feel rather than a true butterfly. It's just a little bit different, and I just thought they were really pretty, and they'll layer up beautifully. They'll layer up beautifully under lace. I'm going to be making a little bit of something with these later on today, and I'll come back and share with you. So these are available over on my Ko-fi. The price, as always, is super low. I keep all of my digitals budget friendly, and if you go on over and have a look over there, there's lots of things over there for free as well as items for sale. So make sure you're following, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you do enjoy using Facebook, come on over and join the Facebook group. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to stay hydrated, stay in the shade, if not wear loads of sun cream. It's too hot for me, I'm inside today. So there you go. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.